Number 5. KitchenAid Professional 6000 HD. The KitchenAid Professional 6000 HD is one of the more powerful mixers available. The 1 horsepower motor is impressive and a great choice if you think that the 1.4 horsepower of the Pro line is a little too much. The extra deep 6-quart bowl is contoured to make it easy to add ingredients while mixing. It can hold dough for 13 dozen cookies or up to 14 cups of flour and is perfect for heavy doughs and thick batters. The 67-point mixing action helps the beater reach every part of the bowl for thorough, even mixing. Plus, it uses bowl lifting action to make sure the beater gets as close to the bowl as possible. Included with this mixer are a coated flat beater and dough hook as well as a wire wick. You're all set to knead your favorite bread dough, mix up some cake batter, or whip up some royal icing right away. That's not all. This mixer also has the Power Hub feature that's compatible with more than 15 different accessories. Number 4. KitchenAid Pro 600 Series 6-quart. The Professional 600 Series mixer is the perfect piece of equipment for serious bakers. Users found the 575-watt motor strong enough to knead dough for long periods of time without damaging the machine, even when baking back-to-back bread loaves. The KitchenAid Pro 600 Series 6-quart bowl lift stand mixer is a great choice for people who make a lot of bread or dense cookie dough, or who like to bake in large batches. Compared with the Artisan, it has a bigger bowl, stronger motor, and added heft. This model comes complete with a soft start feature, which means the mixer starts at a slower speed, so you're less likely to spew flour all over the kitchen or splatter wet ingredients before it's all neatly incorporated. Number 3. KitchenAid KSM 180 QH SD. If you're looking for a mixer that makes a statement, this limited edition Queen of Hearts mixer in passion red might be the one you're looking for. The trim band is covered with tiny red hearts, and the custom Power Hub cover celebrates KitchenAid's 100-year anniversary. Several reviewers say this mixer makes an attractive addition to their kitchen and that it operates relatively quietly. However, a few have mentioned that the beater becomes a little loose when they work with very large batches. The mixer comes with a 5-quart polished stainless steel mixing bowl with a handle. There are 14 different attachments sold separately, so you can roll out pasta to the perfect thickness, make ice cream, or grind your own meat. Number 2. KitchenAid Pro line. The KitchenAid Pro line is for people who are serious about baking. It comes with a power knead spiral dough hook, flat beater, and a stainless steel wire whip. It's their most powerful, longest-lasting design. The thing that stands out the most about this mixer is its capacity. The 7-quart bowl can hold up to 16 cups of flour or 14 dozen cookies or 8 pounds of bread dough in one batch. It has a powerful 1.3 horsepower motor that provides consistent power to any load without overheating, therefore extending the life of the mixer. The all-metal construction and steel gears were made to last. This mixer features a professional bowl lift design that provides stability and support when mixing heavy ingredients or large batches. Because the bowl is higher, it makes more efficient contact with the beater for better performance. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan. The Artisan is one of KitchenAid's best and highest-rated mixers. One of the most impressive things about it is its versatility. The 10-speed slide control gives you a lot of options, and with the included flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, you can mix up just about anything. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl is large enough to make 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. It has a nice, easy-to-grip handle and can be placed in the dishwasher for cleaning. The Power Hub and available attachments really make this mixer an indispensable part of any kitchen. There are more than 12 attachments available that allow you to do things like making pasta, shredding cheese, and even grinding and stuffing sausages. Please note that these attachments aren't included. Now that we've shown you the best KitchenAid mixers out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Size and capacity. Tilt-head mixers typically have a medium build, meaning they fit pretty well under most cabinets and have a capacity of around 5 quarts. They're quite heavy, however, coming in at around 26 pounds. Still, they're not quite as heavy as bowl lift mixers, which punch in at around 29 to 30 pounds. Their bowls can hold up to 6 quarts. Due to their size, however, they're meant to be displayed on the counter and not placed under a cabinet. Attachments. KitchenAid has more than 10 motor attachments that work with all of its stand mixers. These include a juicer, food processor, spiralizer, and pasta roller, among others. There are also helpful accessories available such as pouring shields, pouring chutes, and covers. Design. There are 2 types of KitchenAid mixers, tilt head and bowl lift. The motor head of a tilt head mixer pushes back to let you pour ingredients into the bowl and access the beater. A bowl lift mixer has a lever that pulls the bowl up to the beater. There's also a tilt head mini model that's lighter and more compact than a typical tilt head mixer.